I want to know the ratio of reject water
Okay.
so that we can promote that.
Right. Thank you for asking that question. It's very valid question because most of the people ask it because they don't want to waste their water.
Yes.
If I give you an excellent answer, which actually convinces you to buy this machine, would you buy it?
I will plan.
Yeah, definitely you should plan because it helps your health. Let
Yes.
me tell you, there is no rejection water at all. There is no rejection water. Okay. The alkaline water, what you get is 70%. Okay. That is 70%. And the acidic water you get is 30%. Okay, 30%. So this 30% of water, you can use it for your domestic purposes because you know the pH scale, it is 0 to 14. Right? If you're taking 8.5 water in the delivery hose, you are getting 14 minus 8.5. What is 14 minus 8.5?
14 minus
6.5 or 5.5? 14 minus 8.5?
5.5.
Right. So 5.5 water, and use it as a beauty water to your face.
Sorry?
You can use 5.5 water as a beauty water for your face.
Yes, yes.
So that means there is no rejection water here.
That,
Every drop coming out of this machine is useful. So there is no rejection water at all.
okay. But that should be stored, na?
You can store it up.
Okay.
So
There
as
is
you're storing the alkaline water to drink, you can store this 5.5 water for your showers or bath.
I muted my videos because your video is getting blurred.
Okay, okay. If you have any queries, I'm here to take it.
Yes, you have said that around 30% water will be acidic.
Yes.
That will be around 5.5 pH. Okay.
Yes.
That we can store another place for
Yes.
other work like washing your clothes and for beauty products also.
No. Sorry, not to wash your clothes. You can use 5.5 water for beauty purpose, for toning as a toner on your face,
Okay. Okay.
or for showers or your hair care.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. And this is the MRP or this is the dealer price?
There is no dealer price. It is the only price which company does. And as you're going to get so much of value, they don't actually give much of discounts as well. But from my end, I tell you, this is the best product for you and your family.
Okay.
I bought SD501. The mission which you have seen is SD501. I'll take you to the mission once again with this laptop.
Okay.
So you can see I'm also a middle class person.
I know that.
So that's me and my machine, SD501.
Okay. This is of cost?
2.77.
Okay.
So you can see these are the buttons.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yeah, that is visible.
Yeah, let me turn the lights on for you.
No, that was visible.
Okay.
But show me the two nozzle of that
I will.
water.
Okay, I will. So I'll show you the latch first. So this is the buttons. Kengen 8.5, 9, 9.5 water.
Okay.
And this is, okay, let me put the video mode because I'm finding it difficult. I'll stop the screen share so that the video is more clear.
Sure. Make it convenient. And I want to know where is the service center of this product?
Okay, I'll tell you about that. So this is Kengen 8.5, 9, 9.5. This is 7 pH clean water. Then this is 6 pH beauty water. This is your 11.5 and 2.5 water for this.
Okay.
Okay. And then coming here, can you see this pipe?
Yeah.
This is the inlet to the machine. This is the inlet to the machine. Okay. And this is the alkaline water. Okay. This is the alkaline water. And this one is your another output, which is for your acidic water.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see this? So I'm actually using for utensils.
Okay.
I can use it for utensils, or I'll store it up to use it as a beauty water.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's the machine Lulac SD501.
Okay.
So I'm open for any further clarifications as well.
No, I am okay with the product.
And there are lots of literature supporting my points. As I'm a assistant professor, I've done my mechanical engineering, mechatronics, and also masters in aeronautical engineering. I don't just believe in things unless I see the solid proofs. I've seen all the solid proofs before I buy the machine. I've got all the articles with me. I've got the books with me. I've read the books. I found out they all are true. I've seen the testimonies of the people, and then I bought this machine.
Okay, that's very good.
Yeah, I heard the stories of people whose diabetes was not even controlled after taking insulin. They are on tablets now, and there are people who have actually controlled their total diabetes using this water only.
Okay.
I've seen people with gangrene are cured totally using this water for 30 days.
Okay.
I've seen a people who have undergone their intestine operations getting cured taking this water.
Okay.
I've seen people who have thyroid as one of their health disorders. They have controlled their total thyroid. They're not taking any thyroid tablets, and they've shown me their reports also.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Yeah. So if you are looking for any further literature or any further support, I'm always there for you.
Please share me the slide you have shown so
I
that
can.
I can study it properly.
Yes.
And is there any EMI option on this machine?
I'm really sorry, my friend. I wouldn't suggest any EMI on this product. But if you have a credit card, you can buy this on your credit card and then go to the EMI option. Point number one. Point number two, if you are able to avail any personal loan, take a personal loan, buy this machine, and definitely it is worth buying through as I bought it. I also bought it through EMI, but I paid it through my credit card first and then I've converted it into EMI.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely it's a worth product. You will really love taking this kind of a water because you see your health improving. After me buying this water, I mean this machine, my energy levels have improved like anything.
Okay.
After coming back from college, I used to go very, very lethargic after 8:30, 9 o'clock. But
Okay.
now I'm able to convey or confess this water is a super water till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night, and I'm still energetic.
Very good. Very good.
You'll not believe, Atharva, I have taken approximately 8 years of study. Eight
I
years
need
of
to know
study
the after.
to
Hello.
find out which is the best water to drink. And then I got the answer in October 2019.
Okay.
October the 2019, when one of my friend Rama Shastri Garu has introduced this water to me, I was very skeptical, very, very skeptical. October,
Okay.
November, 2 months I studied on it. Then December I bought the machine. From December and January, I studied the machine. I studied the articles. I studied the books. I've gone through different testimonies from the people. I went to their homes. I asked them how did they get benefit with this water, and they were very happy and suggested me to also buy this machine. But I've already bought it,
Okay.
so they were very happy with it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any further clarities? I'm there for you. And you have asked me one question which I didn't answer yet.
Hello.
You asked me a question which I didn't answer.
Hello.
You asked
Am
me
I
a
audible?
question. Yes, yes. You asked me a question which I didn't answer yet.
I need to know the after sale service of this
Ah,
product.
yes. See, this product, there are still the products which been sold 40 years back are working in a good condition with giving the same ORP as they were.
Okay.
Japanese products, so you can trust that technology. Point number one. Point number two, if you face any problem, then you have people who are product trained coming and looking at your machine, and if they it needs any of the repairs, it can be sent to Bangalore office. There is an office in Bangalore wherein machine can be serviced or repaired.
And how much time they take?
They usually, it is the courier time. You need to send it through a courier from your place to Bangalore, and in the Bangalore, once they check and diagnose if there is any problem, they'll give you a call, and according to that, it will be taking the time.
Okay. Means around 1 to 2 weeks.
It depends on the problem to problem, and usually for now I have not seen any repairs with this machine. I've gone to the Bangalore office twice to see the machines and also find out how frequently machines are getting any service issues. And they said if the machines are coming to the Bangalore office, they are coming to Bangalore office only for e-cleaning or deep cleaning. That means only for servicing only, but no repairs at all so far.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Means no need to change the cartridge and all. It
Uh,
is working.
there is one thing which you need to look into is the filter, water filter.
Okay.
Any filter, they usually give you a lifespan of 6,000 liters.
Yeah.
So this
That is
chlorine filter is also 6,000 liter is the lifespan of it, and
okay.
it will cost you some approximately 8,000.
Okay. Per year.
That
How
it
costly?
depends on the usage, your usage.
Yeah.
Sometimes there are people who have used it for 2 years.
My usage of water is around 40 liter per day.
I use approximately 20 to 25 liters per day at my
Yeah.
house.
Same. My 40 liter is at least.
Right, right. Then you
Then
you 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 might have to change it once a year, maybe
once a year. Yeah.
once a
Okay.
year. And as you have mentioned, you are living in an area where the water is more harder, so we'll have to check your TDS. And if your TDS is
I
just
told you my TDS is around 550 to 600 or 650. Not
yeah,
more.
that we need to reduce to something around 200, around 150 to 250, and we can use that to our machine.
And we have
150
to
is
add
recommended.
alkaline to it. Hello?
150 is recommended.
No, I know that.
Yeah,
I have kept my RO in between 150
yes,
to 125 in between that all.
right.
But I have never checked the alkaline property
uh,
of it.
I've checked most of the waters in India. They are possessing something around 3 to 6 pH, depending on
Okay.
the area. The
Okay.
pH of the waters, I've seen something around 3 to 6 pH. Some
6 pH. Okay.
places 6.5 as well.
Okay. And that liquid from which you were testing the alkaline property of the water,
Yes.
that is coming with the machine or we have to buy it from medical store?
Actually, you don't get this from the machine. They when they send you a machine, they send all the machine accessories only. And
Okay.
this is everything you need to keep for yourself to test it.
Okay. And then
This you
where,
can buy in Amazon as well. You can buy this in
okay.
Amazon.
Okay. What is the cost of this?
This is called ORP meter. Usually,
RP?
the swimming pool people have it. It is costing around 18,000 on 18,000 rupees at current day,
Okay.
approximately.
Okay.
Yeah.